This is the Tiffany building. I think it's Plymouth, Minnesota. Impulse right here. Oh, all their buttons. Wasn't that? No. Oh yeah, this is definitely all their different separate lanterns. TK replaced the labels, but not the Nikito. That's interesting. 2,500 pound capacitors or COP. Dover impulse fixtures. I think this is older. Yeah, this is older. There's old key switches. Button. Pure speaker barrage. There's small buttons. Hits the fire. Do not use elevators. There's wait, please. Thank you. Look at that. Okay, let's go to 4. It's locks. 3 locks. So here we go. Love those relays. 3. A very interesting little one. And a cab view. It's very nice. ADA compliant phone. I think I already said that earlier. Yeah, this runs well. I don't know how much it's used, but it's a bummer that pretty much all the bones were replaced. That's original. That's replaced. I did on 3. There we go. The motor's kind of sucky. Stop. Let's get off here. That will be it.